To register for your Proctored exam, please log into your GoView account, and from the course homepage, click on the Assessment tab, followed by Proctored Exam, Register Now. Next, select Choose a proctor. From here, scroll down to see all of the proctoring options available to you. The first option is USG Testing Centers in person. This is a face-to-face proctoring option. These are testing centers located at your home institution or other USG institutions that are located closest to you. The next option is Virtual Testing Center Network Online. Some USG testing centers offer limited remote proctoring options. Seats for this option are very limited, and we encourage students to register early. Third option is ProctorU, which is a live online proctoring service. The fourth option is Live Proctoring by Smarter Services, which is an online proctoring service that supports Chromebooks. The fifth option is Other Georgia Testing Locations in Person. These testing locations are located at institutions of higher education in Georgia that are not part of the eCampus Collaborative. They include other approved colleges, universities, and technical colleges in the state. We also have options for dual enroll students, out-of-state students, and military students. Once you've located the appropriate method for you, click into Find a Location. On this page, you will find the price, testing center location, testing center contact information, and the distance from the location that you entered when you created your Smarter Proctoring profile. To schedule an appointment, click into Request Session and continue. You will be prompted to choose a date. Dates with availability will appear in bold. Select a date and a time, then continue with your registration. If you do not see available dates, then please contact the testing center directly and ask them to open a seat for you. Once the testing center has confirmed that they've opened a seat for you, then you will be able to select it from your exam registration screen in your GoView account and complete your registration. The location of the testing center is based on the Smarter Proctoring profile that you had set up. If you need to change your Smarter Proctoring settings or profile location, then navigate to the top right of your screen, click on the down arrow located next to your name, and click on Settings. In the Profile Settings screen, scroll down to Location and make your changes. Then click on the Save button, and this will allow for you to see new testing options. Online proctoring services such as Virtual Testing Center Network, ProctorU, and Smarter Services will have technical requirements. Here are some things to consider. Your operating system. For example, Chromebooks or Chrome OS operating systems are not supported by ProctorU, but are supported by Smarter Services and Virtual Testing Center Network. If you therefore have a Google Chromebook or a Chrome OS operating system, then you will be able to test with Smarter Services or Virtual Testing Center Network options, but not with ProctorU. Next item to consider is your browser. For example, if you are testing with ProctorU, then you will need to download the Guardian browser. And on exam day, log into your GoView account on the Guardian browser. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge are not supported. If you are testing with Smarter Services or Virtual Testing Center Network, then you will need the latest version of Google Chrome browser. All virtual proctoring requires a functioning webcam and microphone. Finally, you will need to test your equipment or run a system check before scheduling your appointment. If you meet all of these requirements, then you can proceed with scheduling your appointment by selecting Schedule Your Exam. Available exam dates are not grayed out and are selectable. Click into the date that works best for you to see all of the available times. Please note that times marked in red font with a moon icon indicate early morning appointments. So if you select an appointment time from 2:45 a.m. to 4:45 a.m., then you will be testing in the middle of the night. If you want to schedule an evening appointment, then click on the down arrow next to any time and select evening to see all of the available evening options. Click on the schedule button and follow the prompts to complete your registration. Some proctors require a 3-step registration process for scheduling your exam. For example, if you select Other Georgia Testing Locations, Request Session, then you may see 3 date and time choices. You will need to provide 3 dates and times, then wait for the proctor to respond. Finally, you will confirm the final date and time of the exam. This process may take a little bit longer, so we encourage you to register early. If you need additional assistance scheduling your exam, please email us at etesting@ecampus.usg.edu or give us a call at 678-839-4900.